Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, today we are continuing with Chapter 5 of Indian Economic Development of Class 12. And the topic for today's class is Importance of Human Capital Formation. Now, what is the role of human capital formation? It will be cleared by these points which I have already stated on my whiteboard. Effective use of physical capital. The growth and the productivity of physical capital directly depends extensively on the human capital formation. Human skill and their efforts help in effective use of physical capital. And the second point is higher productivity and production. Human capital formation raises the productions as knowledge and skilled worker makes better use of the resources. Third is innovation, inventions and technological improvement. The human capital formation stimulates innovations and creates ability to absorb new technologies. Education provides knowledge to understand changes in society and scientific advancement, which facilitates invention and innovation. Availability of educated labor force facilitates adaptation to new technology. Now comes modernization of attitude. Knowledgeable, skilled and physically fit people are powerful instruments of change in the society. Once again, I repeat this important line. Knowledgeable, skilled and physically fit people are powerful instruments of change in the society. Investment in human capital helps in changing mental outlook, psychology and promotes development in the economy. Increases life expectancy. Formation of human capital raises life expectancy of the people. Health facilities and availability of nutritive foods enables people to live a healthy and long life. This in turn adds to the quality of life. Now the second last point is improvement in quality of life, standard of life. Let's see. The quality of population depends upon the level of education, health of person and skill formation acquired by the people. Human capital formation not only makes people productive and creative but also transform the lives of the people. People starts living and enjoying higher income and more satisfying life. Now the last point is control of population growth. It has been observed that educated people have smaller families as compared to illiterate families. So spread of education is necessary to control the chronic population growth rate. So just I want to recall these discussed points. First is effective use of physical capital. The physical capital can be created only by means of hard and intelligent work of human being in the economy. Second is higher production and productivity. Human capital formation directly raises the production. Investment in human capital helps in acquiring new skills and also knowledge relating to the management of resources, technology and productions. Third is innovation, inventions and technology improvement. Availability of educated labor force facilitates adaptation to the new technologies. Modernization of attitude. Economic development of country depends on the minds of the people and their changing attitude towards creating a will for development or for change. Increases life expectancy. Formation of human capital raises life expectancy of the people. Health facilities and availability of nutritive food enable a person to live a healthy, fit and long life. And it adds to the quality of life. Second last is improvement in quality of life. Human capital formation not only makes people productive and creative but also transform the lives of the people. They make a big drastic change. Last is control of population growth. Educated person have smaller families as compared to illiterate families. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.